I want to spend a few minutes and show you how you can use an editor other than idle to edit and run your Python code. I have already downloaded Visual Code for my Mac. You can download Visual Code for your Mac, your Windows, or your Linux operating system. It's a pretty quick install. I have the link in Canvas in the module 0 element. And once you have it installed, you can open any files you want. So I can go here to File, and I'm going to go to Open. I'm going to navigate to my file that I want to open. So this is my path through my Meroc files. I'm going to go ahead and find the one here, which is my mpg.py file. Go ahead and open it. And I can make my changes in here. Notice that it's got some color coordination for the various pieces of it. I am allowed from here to go ahead and copy and paste. And then I can go ahead and also run it. But notice by default, it's going to probably run to a different version of Python that we want to use for class. So mine is defaulting to 2.7. If yours says 3.5 or higher, you don't need to make any changes to it. But if it does not have the correct version of Python, just double click down here and it'll list all the different Pythons you have installed. So I can go ahead and find my 3.5. Most of you will probably have 3.7. Once that's set up down here in purple, I can go to Run and Run without debugging. At the bottom of the screen will be my output for my screen. There's my miles driven, 400. Put in 30.5 miles. Price of gas is 1.99. And I can go ahead and continue. So you can have everything you want to run down here, and for your code you can go ahead, or your screenshot, you can go ahead and grab the screenshot from the bottom down here. You can make this bigger and smaller to get more of your code in there if you wanted to. But anyway, that's how you can code in Visual Code, VS Code, and run it. Just make sure you change it to Python 3.5 or higher, and everything will run within this environment. Okay, thank you very much.